What's up, guys? Marco Polo Road. No, not Marco Polo, Marco Po Road. Sorry, there's like, in the last video, there's like a weird wind. So sorry if that happens in this video. I'm not trying to make that weird wind. It just happens sometimes for absolutely no reason. It's just stupid. Maybe it just spams doges for the entire time. Like if you kill a doge, something's gonna happen. No, it's literally just doges. Yeah, but you're only allowed to use single hitters. Just imagine how that'd be with only single attackers. At least Awakened Muhammad is multiple attack and he insta-kills. Well, a lot of stuff insta-kills all this. There's probably, yeah, I was just about to say there's going to be angel doges. What other doges? Are there going to be red doges? Zombie doges? Zombie doges probably. If there are zombie doges, props to them for thinking of that. That's the least loved out of the doges. The most loved out of the doges is the doge, obviously. I mean, who doesn't love the doge? There's 3 million health on this base. I wonder why. They're just trying to stall us. Don't know why I still have my AirPods in. I'm not listening to anything. I don't want to annoy my mother. There's only one, it's a one bed thing, a 1 bedroom thing, so like a 1 bed, the 2 bedrooms were out, so it's a 1 bedroom, so I have to listen to stuff with AirPods so I don't annoy my mother. Okay, I absolutely hate Bun Bun, and with all these doges, it just makes my hatred more. Awakened Bahamut can definitely never hit Bun Bun, but can try and get like, oh, he actually really could hit Bun Bun. But the only reason I'll really send Awakened Bahamut out is to kill the doges. But in stages like here, the Gaos are doing the best. Mighty Lord Gao, Mighty Lord Gao, and Diabol Gao. Diabol Gao is considered to be the 10th best Uber in the game, and Mighty Lord Gao is supposed to be 3rd. I don't say that correctly. One of the things I think is that, first off, Cassidy's a first. Mighty Lord Gao, 2nd or 3rd. Not really the best option. 2nd or 3rd. Actually a really good option, but no, not the best. This is really stupid and I want to kill myself. I literally just do the same thing. Just level up. Level up once, murder everything, and get this done with. Oh, there was a notification on different iPad. That's nice to know. The stupid idiot doges are coming. I'm so scared. They're normal doges. Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me. I never knew that. No one ever thinks that Aphrodite is in the top 5. Aphrodite is definitely top 5 Ubers. I don't have any other really good Ubers than that. I mean, I have okay Ubers that I think are pretty nice, but they're definitely not top 5. The good thing about this stage is that you have infinite money from killing so many Doges. Literally. I got my money back again. How do I hear the cars from outside? If I please let me beat this stage. Freeze him, yes. Oh my gosh. The Doges are so annoying. Wicked Pomet's dead. That's nice. I mean, he wasn't going to do much damage anyways, because he gets punched by Bun once, and he gets knocked back. Oh, to the Doges, he can do a bunch of damage. Oh yeah, there's just going to be more and more Doges the longer this goes on. That's why we should try and kill them now before they overload us in Doges. Now, you might be thinking they're about to overload us like last time. No, not exactly. Diabolic Gao is about to come back. And if we have 2 Diabolic Gaos, well, now we have 1 again, which is terrible, but please. I don't want to die. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. No. Shoot it. Yes. Please. Okay, 2 Black Doges. That isn't terrible. We are in one of the worst situations right now, but not exactly the worst. No! I hate this. This is the worst stage. Battle Cats is trash. Don't download it. 0 out of 10. Goodbye.